So let me show you around. Again, I'm at 14 millimeter. I'm using the IBIS only without any 1.19 crop. I do not like the 1.19 crop. If I turn on the MSI mode 1, it gives me a 1.19 crop. So 40 millimeter, so if I turn on the MS mode 1, it gives me around 16.66. So it will be around like 70 millimeter focal length. I will be showing you this one also. By the way, I'm recording in the natural profile. I'm holding the camera from the lens and I'm using this harmonic long microphone. I hope you like the video. Yeah, so yeah, let me just show you around. It's a quite nice place. For example, that medical. Okay. One thing I do not like is the fully articulated screen. I much prefer a flip down or flip up screen so I can easily shoot. I'm not a big fan of a fully articulated screen. So this is 150 millimeter. So 150 millimeter handheld. I'm using the DCI 4K. So the video quality is quite nice. Let me show you a little bit more. 150 millimeter, 300 millimeter. For example, I want to show you some shoes like there. Let me just zoom in. Or at the gold shop or the shoe shop. So right now I'm using the digital image stabilization. So my IBIS plus digital image stabilization. So this 40 millimeter become like a 16.6 millimeter. Right now I'm at 45 millimeter. 45 millimeter, 100 millimeter, and 100 millimeter is here, and 150, 100, 150, 100, 150, 100. As you can see, 100 millimeter, 100 millimeter, and 150. So let me just walk. For example, let me show you something like this. So this is the handheld video. I'm holding the camera at my chest level from the lens. I personally prefer the flip up or flip down screen, which most photographers prefer. For example, I want to show you some vegetable, like I can go like this. So okay, I show you some vegetable and I can easily zoom out. I'm recording in natural profile. I can go in and then demonstrate. Here we go out. I'm recording in the natural profile. For example, like I want to show you the water bottle close up. Here we go. IBIS and the digital, so it's 40 millimeter become like a 16 millimeter. I know it's very closer to my face, but what you can do? Again, you need to vlog, right? You really need to vlog. I'm really liking the way my camera work. I mean, yeah, the field of view is quite tight. I want to be honest with you, but again, if you using the IBIS course, a lot of working behind me.